first determine your Starlink dish model. Do you have the new mini Starlink dish, or the Generation 2 motor actuated dish, or the latest Generation 3 kickstand dish? Each dish has its specific setup needs. Next, choose your mounting style. Do you prefer the stability of a ladder mount, the flexibility of a hitch mount, or the strength of a frame mount? Or perhaps the simplicity of just a tire mount? It's up to you. You might even need more than one mount. Next, decide on the height you need. Pole extensions give you that extra boost to get a clear signal no matter where you park. Each extension gives you approximately 3 more feet in height. Installation is a breeze with our step-by-step guide and user-friendly designs. This clip features our Starlink RV Pole Kit paired with the Flagpole Buddy 2.0 ladder mount and the Generation 3 kickstand dish. Stay connected wherever you go. Shop our Starlink RV Pole Kits today and ensure reliable internet on all your adventures. Get your Starlink RV Pole Kit today at hitchedforfun.com.